Hi friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you the latest Lenovo G500S series of laptops. And this is the slimmer variant of the Lenovo G500 which we have reviewed in our earlier videos. You can find it on our channel. Let me start with the battery here. Battery is a very paltry 4-cell lithium-ion battery, which is a serious downer for this laptop. But for the slimness, it had to come to this 4-cell capacity here. Let me read out the voltage ratings. It is 14.4 volts and 41 watt hours, total of 2900 mAh. So this will give you a comfortable backup around 2.5 hours. Because the processor also is not ultra low voltage, it's a standard mobile processor, so the backup will be a little less in this. Let me show you the adapter here. The adapter is the G500 series is changed entirely. This is the way it looks. The voltage ratings are 20 volts and 3.25 ampere. This is a 65 watt adapter here, and the pin connector has changed. So Lenovo has done this change here. Let me show you the laptop. This is the way the top panel looks like. It's got jet black textured matte finishing. Let me get it up close for you. As you can see, this entire textured finish is there all around the top bezel. The Lenovo logo is very much metallic embossed. I like this series more than the G500, which is the fat edition of the G500S. Let me show you the tilt angles here. This is the maximum it will tilt to. This is the way it looks. Pretty slim. Looks really neat. Let me show you the keyboard and the panel area. This entire thing has got this beautiful metal finishing. Although it is not metal, it is plastic which looks like metal. You have the power button over here. You have the one key recovery. It's got Dolby Advanced V2 certification, so the audio quality will be good. It's got a standard chiclet keyboard, full size chiclet keyboard, as you can see. Coming to the palm rest area, very elegantly designed. Quite a huge amount of space here for your palms to be rested. The touchpad here is a standard touchpad. It does not have a unipad. Left and right clicks have been integrated into one. So this is the way it looks when you open your laptop. It's got a standard HD LED glare, as you can see, and camera is 1.3 megapixel camera. The LCD bezel also is having the same matte finish. So the screen here is upright. If you compare the G500, it is not all that upright. This screen seems to be looking bigger than the G500. This is the way it looks. This area is where the battery is housed, so it's a little odd, but that's the way it is. Let me show you how it looks. On the left, this is the way it looks. Very, very slim. This is the ultra slim category of the Lenovo laptops after the S series, but with a standard mobile processor. Design over here, you have the charging adapter, you have the heat dissipation vent area, VGA, Ethernet, HDMI, two USB 3.0 ports. And then you have the front part here where you have two power indicators. One is power, one is hard battery. And you have a memory card reader slot. Do we have one? Alright, so we don't have a memory card on this side. It's there on the right side. The way it looks on the right side, you have the headphone mic combi, you have memory card reader area. You have the USB port, DVD writer, Kensington lock. So it's the way it looks. This is the way the base looks like. You have these 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3 screws over here, using which you can upgrade the laptop's hard drive and the RAM. The rudders are flat here and taller over here to give you the elevation. Overall very nicely designed, good finish, good amount of vent given for heat to come out over here as well as over here. Even the heat dissipation area is bigger than the G500. So the weight is around 2.5 kgs, but it looks really sturdy in your hand and makes sense. The Lenovo G500 and the 505 look the same. The difference being 500 is the Intel variant and 505 is the AMD variant. So you'll have Core i3s, you have dual cores, Core i5 and Core i7s in the G500S. So affixing the S, Lenovo is specifying that G500S is a slim variant and G500 is a normal variant. Let me also compare the G500 with this thing. So you can see this top one is the G500S and the bottom one is the G500. It's far more slimmer than the G500, comparatively slimmer. And even when you open it, you'll feel the difference. This is the front portion comparison. This is the way it looks on the right side. Alright, so this, my friends, was the review and comparison of the G500S with the G500. Hope you liked the video. Do let us know of your suggestions and comments, and do not forget to subscribe to us. Thank you so much for watching, guys.